Hello guys, Born Eraser here. I just found this article. Um, Professor researching COVID-19 was killed, supposedly, allegedly. A University of Pittsburgh professor on the verge of making very significant findings researching COVID-19, according to the university, was shot and killed in an apartment in an apparent murder-suicide over the weekend, police said. The research assistant professor, identified as Bing Liu, was found in his townhouse Saturday with gunshot wounds to the head, neck, torso, and extremities, according to the Ross Police Department, supposedly. Investigators allegedly believe an unidentified second man who was found dead in his car shot and killed Liu in his home before returning to his car and taking his own life. Police believe the men knew each other, but say there is zero indication that there was targeting due to his Liu being Chinese, according to detective. The university issued a statement saying it is deeply saddened by the tragic death of Bing Liu, a prolific researcher and admired colleague at Pitt. The university extends our deepest sympathies to Liu's family, friends, and colleagues during this difficult time. Bing was on the verge of making very significant findings toward understanding the cellular mechanisms that underlie SARS-CoV-2 infection and the cellular basis of the following complications. Alright guys, let's stop here, okay? Now, cellular mechanisms are defined as cell cycle regulation, induction of DNA damage and DNA repair, and specific targeting of TOPO2. Now, I went and looked up TOPO2, and TOPO2 is TOPO2 software is for creating transmembrane protein 2D topologically images. Transmembrane. Now I was wondering, okay, why would they want transmembrane? Well, transmembrane proteins play several roles in functioning of cells. Communication is one of the most important roles. Now, why would they want communication? What do they want with that? I'll let you guys decide that. But anyhow, let's get back to the article.